Hey everyone, it's your girl AmandaEnsing, and today we are getting ready in a castle. I am in Lyon, France, and tomorrow I leave to go to Ibiza, Spain, and I figured today I had a free day, so I wanted to film a get ready with me in a castle. Like, I feel like a queen right now. I'm in the main castle right now. I don't know what kind of noise issues we're gonna have. I don't know how the audio is. I'm sitting in front of a window. There's a fountain over there. Sounds like now there's some construction. I don't even know. Construction really follows me wherever I go. Like, ever since I started my YouTube channel, there's always construction as soon as I hit record. I don't know why. Like, I haven't heard any construction since I've been in France for a week, and now that I said on film, there's construction. I'm gonna get ready with you guys today. I'm gonna do a super basic look. This has kind of been my everyday look here with a little touch of glam because I do want to take some cute pictures today as my last day. Also, one thing I found out here, I'm drinking sparkling water. I never drink sparkling water at home because it's carbonated and I feel like it makes me bloated, and I try not to drink anything with carbonation. But my girl Maryam, hit her up if you don't already follow her. She told me that it's naturally comes out of the springs with the carbonation, so it's not bad for you, and it's literally so good. So I'm gonna miss this when I go back. Like, it's just water, Amanda, but I don't know, it tastes so good. It's so hot here. Like, honestly, I've been like dying. Like, I can feel the upper lip sweat already. I'm gonna use my Hourglass Veil Primer. This is like the best primer for oil anything in the world. It's so good. Also, Castle has no AC, so that's a thing. I don't know how they did it. Like, it is literally so hot. That's why I haven't done my hair yet, because I don't know how they did it. Like, it's so hot. Honestly, I haven't been wearing foundation every day. Like, yesterday when I got ready, I didn't wear foundation at all. I just did concealer. But today I'm gonna add a little bit because my spray tan is fading, so my face doesn't really match my body. So I'm gonna take the Hourglass Stick Foundation. This has been my go-to foundation lately, and it also keeps me really matte, and it's full coverage. I love this foundation. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my skin. Both France and Spain are 9 hours ahead of LA. So the time change has gotten to me so bad. I'm so jet lagged, and I feel like since I got here, it's just been go doing stuff. So the time change has been hard, like really hard to adjust to, because I just feel like I'm always tired all the time. And two, posting, like, I have on my world clock the LA time just to make sure when I post you guys are awake, because I feel like you guys are so used to me posting at certain times. It's so weird going to bed when everyone's waking up and vice versa. Like, it's just so weird. I love this foundation too because since it's a stick, it's so easy to travel with. The only liquid foundation I brought was the NARS Longwear Radiant, Natural Radiant, you know what I'm saying, that foundation. I love that foundation. I've just been using this the whole time. I'm gonna use the Too Faced concealer, the Born This Way concealer. This has just been my everyday concealer. I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. I'm going to not go too crazy with concealer. Instead of like swiping like I normally do, I'm just going to dot it under the eyes. Also a little bit on my eyelids, not too much because I don't want it to crease, or on my nose and right here, anywhere like I get a little bit of redness and want to cover, and a little bit on my forehead. I have a few blemishes there. I think that's good. I'm gonna use a Morphe Y11 to blend it out. I've been to France one other time, and it was a couple of months ago, and it was magical. Like, I loved it. And this time I just saw such different things, like being in a castle. Like, I've never been to a castle before. Like, this chair I'm sitting on is like hundreds of years old. It's crazy. There's just so much history. You can feel it, you can see it when you're here. Also, there's no shower in my room. I was like, what? There's only a bath, and I love baths, but not every day. And my toilet seat is a chair. Like, my toilet is literally a chair with a hole in it. Like, this is legit. So I'm gonna take Laura Mercier translucent setting powder just to set my concealer. Funny story, last night I was wearing this pant set and my legs were sweating so bad. I literally put Laura Mercier translucent setting powder between my legs last night. I don't know if you can do that, but I did, and it worked so good. Like, literally so good. It's just so hot here. Like, as soon as you step out of the shower, you're already sweating. And I have only been to France one other time, and it was snowing. So, and a lot of people were tweeting me saying, girl, you better just bring shorts because it's hot as hell here. And it is literally so hot here. I'm gonna set all this because upper lip sweat is a no-go. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs bronzer. Now, this has been my favorite bronzer for so long. I accidentally smashed it with my brush at the first hotel. I'm not kidding you guys, if you can see this, it's literally hollow. Like, the hole goes all the way through, and I'm like, so you're not getting all that product? I'm really confused. I don't know what happened. Mine doesn't even smell like coconuts anymore. I'm still gonna contour my nose a little bit. I just feel like when I don't contour my nose looks so flat, like so weird. Then what I've been doing is taking a highlight powder. This is the KKW #1 powder, and I'll take my finger, like literally, and highlight just the tip of my nose. And I feel like it really brings my contour together on my nose. Do any of you guys have like little tricks that you do in your makeup that probably seem so extra and irrelevant, but they make the biggest difference, I swear? Like I can't do my nose contour without it. I'm gonna take NARS Luster Blush. It's a peachy natural color. I'm gonna go right over my contour and then a little bit on the bridge of my nose. For highlighting, we're gonna mix two. You guys know I'm extra, so I'm gonna start with the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I actually brought 3 highlighters on this trip. The other one I brought is Kylie Cosmetics Fiji because I love that highlight. Oh my God, this breeze feels so good. I hope it's not messing up my audio, but the breeze. And then I'm gonna mix some Fenty Trophy Wipe. I'm also gonna highlight my décolletage. I'm just gonna wait until I change so I don't get it like on this shirt and then get it everywhere. It's just time for some brows. So this is a brand new product from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Brow Contour Pro Brow Pencil. This is so cool because if you remember the little pens as a kid that would have like 30 different colors in it and you could just push them down and switch the color and it was one pen, that's exactly what this is for brows. I think it's so cool and innovative. I've never seen a brow pencil like that. So it has 4 different shades, 2 brow shades, 2 highlight shades. I've only played with it twice so far and it's bomb and it stayed on. I almost feel like the sweat on my face made it go on better. So I'm gonna use Brown Light and I'm gonna use the lighter shade and then I'm gonna use the matte highlight in it. The only thing it's missing is a spoolie. I'm like, can you add a pop out spoolie in this brow pencil? But the formula is very much like a hybrid between a pomade and a pencil. It's almost like a pomade and a pencil. Like it's a different texture than their other brow products. I love Precisely My Brow. I use that so much. This one is a lot creamier and a lot more pigmented. It's like a pomade and a pencil. Okay, if you've ever been to France, comment below your favorite French food. I'm really interested to know. I'm gonna use the spoolie on my Precisely My Brow. Okay, seriously, you guys, I got to see the Eiffel Tower at night, sparkle, and it was magical. It was everything. So it sparkles for 5 minutes every hour. I think it starts at 8 p.m. and maybe goes till midnight or 1 a.m., something like that. But I got there at midnight and I saw it twinkle and I posted a picture, but I didn't get to take a picture until after it started sparkling because whenever it was sparkling, I was trying to take a picture and there were so many people there. I couldn't get it. I could not capture it. But I did take like a little video I'll like put in here of it sparkling and it was so pretty. Like I could never get tired of looking at the Eiffel Tower. It just, you look at it and it's just, you feel the love. Like it's just so magical and it's like just everything. My brows are actually looking pretty good. Jared from Benefit waxed my brows. Whenever I got here, I was like, can you please do my brows? And they look so good right now. Like they're so easy to fill in. I love when I get my brows done and then you know, like you can see exactly where you need to fill it in. But my brows grow so fast. It's just like the arch of my brow and the front of my brows, I feel like don't grow. Those are the 2 parts that I struggle with. Oh my God, there is a bee. There are bees everywhere here. And they're terrifying. Like they're everywhere. Okay, so now I'm gonna curl my lashes, add some mascara. I can already feel the lip sweat. It's so hot. You could turn this video into a drinking game. Every time I say hot, take a shot. Wow, we love a good lash day. My lashes actually look good today. I was gonna get eyelash extensions before I came on the trip. Don't know why. It was like an impulse decision. I was gonna get them and then I ended up not. But let me know in the comments if you've ever had eyelash extensions and how do you feel about them? Because I really don't want to destroy my lashes. But like, imagine waking up with beautiful lashes every day, you know? And just doing like your face, like your base and stuff. I'm wearing this really pretty dress. It has like flowers on it. It's like super cute. So I'm gonna do lashes today. I know, I'm gonna do lashes. I'm gonna use the Blinking Beauté number 3 lash. They're very natural, which is so unlike me, but we're gonna have a natural moment today. When housekeeping came to our room today, we gave them some extra brow products because we got a lot of brow pencils and they were so excited and they didn't speak English. So I was trying to tell them, I'm like, I think it's maquillage or something like that. And they were like so excited. So I went ahead and changed. I hope we don't get kicked out because they literally don't know I'm filming up here. I think they're getting ready for dinner. I don't know why. I feel like I always do my lip color like at the very end, like after I'm changed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna use the Bite Lip Pencil in shade 40 to outline my lips. So I was gonna do a pink color, but now I kind of like this color. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go get a MAC lipstick really quick. I'm gonna take MAC Whirl first and put it on the outer corners and just dab it on. Then I'm gonna take this ColourPop color. It's called Tiptoe. It's in nude. And I'm gonna put this one in the center. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take my Fix Plus and spray all over my face. Guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys had fun getting ready with me in a castle. If you do like these kind of videos, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, join my A-team, and make sure those post notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to get back and film more videos for you guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.